Back to another episode of the Superhuman Garden YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my process of collecting the seeds and storing them for the next season. So I have a binder here and I've got dividers, and then I use the envelopes to store the seeds in. Then I'll label what the seeds are, put them back in the binder, and then I have a nice place I'll store them to save them for the next year. So you can see we have okra all throughout here, and we've got seeds. So I'm gonna take that one off. Notice that there's seeds everywhere in here. So I'm just gonna kind of twist, and then you'll see some okra seeds start to come out of there. Okay, and now I'm gonna take those seeds, gonna put them in my envelope here, and I'm gonna repeat this process. I'm gonna get more okra seeds. I think there's a lot of them in here. For example, I'm just gonna squeeze, twist until I can get some seeds out of here. All right, same thing here. Get the seeds out of there. This way we don't have to buy any seeds next year, right? And we can start our own seedlings, okay? Put them in our envelope here. And now we've got our okra seeds for next year. I'm gonna label it here. Okra. All right. And then I'm gonna put them in my divider. Now, the reason why I like putting them in a divider is because if any seeds decide they want to come out, especially the teeny tiny seeds like your mints, spearmints, any herb or any produce, for example, that has teeny tiny seeds, it's really important for me to keep them in the binder, like I said, because if they fall out, I still have the seeds in here and they're not scattering all over the place. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing with our sunflower seeds. Now, as you can see, this area here has a ton of sunflower seeds. You can't see all of the plants, but we're going to do the same thing here. Okay, so I'm going to flip my binder here. I'm gonna get an envelope that we're gonna label. And so let's take this one for example. You can see there's plenty of seeds in here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of squish the seeds out of here. There's plenty of seeds. Okay, look at all of these seeds coming out of here. I'll leave some for the animals, but yeah. Give you guys a nice little close-up, but you can see we've got our own sunflower seeds. We're gonna take them and we're gonna put them in here, and we've got a lot of sunflower seeds that we're gonna be collecting. It's a ton of them, okay, and we're gonna be eating off some of them. A little bit of them we're storing to recrop for next year. And so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna label it sunflower. I can't remember which hybrid it is, but this is a smaller hybrid. We got the bigger ones back here. We're gonna let those dry out a little bit more and we'll collect those. And so again, I'm gonna take my binder here and then I'm gonna slide it in here. And again, if any seeds were to fall out, guess what? We still have them nice and intact, okay? So now you can see sunflower here, and then we've got our okra here. And so the good thing about these binders, you can put different seeds in each binder. For example, if you want to organize them by brassica, you can put, I don't know, kale, collards, broccoli, cauliflower. You can have all of those in one label, for example. Okay, so just wanted to give you guys some insight on how I like to collect my seeds, how I keep them organized, and I like to store them in a nice, cool, dry place. This way I can kind of control where I have them, and I keep everything organized, okay? I don't like to have, and I'm not OCD or anything, but I don't like to have seeds everywhere, seeds in this drawer, seeds in that drawer, seeds in the garage, and seeds in the hoop house, or seeds in the greenhouse. I like to keep everything together. That way when I need them and I'm looking for them, everything's right there. Okay, so this is my process. Let me know what your process is. I appreciate you guys, and I'm out. Peace.